Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a fortune teller. So let's get started. So the first step is to start folding your fortune teller. So what you're going to do first is take a piece of paper and fold it so it's like a triangle right here. So it should look like this. Then you're going to cut right here. So see the line you just folded? Right on that line. And put that piece to the side. Now you should have a triangle like this. Next you're going to unfold your paper and it should be like this. And then you're going to flip it and fold it in half. Like that. Then you're going to unfold it and fold it in half the other way. You should have a center point in the middle, and with your pencil you're going to make a little dot right in the middle. So it looks like that. Now you're going to take one of the little squares, you'll like split into squares, take one of the squares and fold it into the little dot you made. Then you're going to keep on doing that with the other ones. Now you should have this. Then you're going to turn it over on the other side, and you're going to make a dot right in the center where your fold is made. Once you have the dot, you're going to take the corner and fold it to the dot again, just like that. Keep on doing it with all the sides. You should end up with this. Once you've done that step, you can take your pencil or a marker or anything to write with, and see on this one of these little sections right here, you're going to write a number, any number you want. I'm going to write 1. So I see the 1 there. Then on each section, you're going to write a different number. So 2 here, 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you go in order of the numbers, you should end at 8. But you don't have to go in order. You can go any numbers you want. Now you're going to turn it over, and you should have 4 little squares. On one of the squares, you can write the name of a color. I'm going to write purple. You're going to write a name of a color on each square. You can decorate it more if you want. You should have this. Once you have that done, you're going to flip it back over, and inside your numbers, you should flip it open and it should be blank. Write a fortune like something that might happen to them. It doesn't have to come true. Keep on doing it in all the sections. Then you're gonna fold it in half. So you should see 2 of the squares on each side. Right in here, you're gonna make sure it's like that. You're gonna put your 2 thumbs between these pieces of paper, and your 2 thumbs in there. So it should be like this. Then you're going to make it so move your fingers so it's in the shape of that, and you have your fortune teller. The final step is to play your fortune teller with a friend. Now I'm going to teach you how to play fortune teller with your friend. First, you ask your friend which color they would like to choose. Pretend they said red. Then you spell out red, R-E-D. You move the fortune teller with each letter. Then when you land, you don't open it up. You keep it there, and they have to choose a number from there. Pretend they chose 6. You count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then they have to choose one last number. Pretend they chose 1. It says, "You will be happy tomorrow." That is their fortune. Then you get to try that with a friend. You can even play it by yourself. Hi there. Hi. You want to do the fortune teller? Okay. So first, you're going to pick one of these colors. Either purple, red, yellow, or pink. Which color do you choose? Yellow. Yellow? Okay. Then I'll spell yellow out. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Now which number do you want? 7. 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number do you want? 2. 2? Since it's the second time, I'm going to lift up the 2 and read your future. It says, "You will find a 4-leaf clover." That's how you make a fortune teller. Bye, guys.